Border property owners are getting cash offers to survey their land for a wall.
Channel 5's Angela Vargas learns how the government decides how much your land is worth and what's offered now.
We spoke to a Texas civil rights attorney. He confirms that property owners are being offered $100 for the government to survey the land. We learned this is the first steps for a border wall and what landowners can expect for money or try to save their property. Historic lands exist in South Texas.
What do we have there? We got some huge mesquite trees that have been there hundreds of years. This property has been in my wife's family for since 1767, when the original porciones were issued to the original settlers of this area.
Noel and Cecilia Benavides are still battling over a plot of land they own.
We've been at it for 11 years now. Our properties were the first that were confiscated by the government in 2008.
The Benavides have questions about what's going to happen to their land next.
And look at that. There's going to be 62 acres behind the wall. So what's the value of that property?
The miles of proposed fencing wind with the river. Families live in those areas. Some are fighting.
We know of about 12 lawsuits that have already been filed by the Trump administration in the last year.
Texas Civil Rights Project attorney Ricardo Garza explains others are in the beginning stages and are being approached by the government now.
Can you confirm that landowners have received cash offers recently?
So landowners have received offers of $100 for rights of entry. I haven't recently, yes, in the last 6 months.
Garza says if a landowner gets to a point when the government makes a final offer, the landowner can dispute the prices. Garza explains the government sometimes uses appraisers to decide how much land is worth. This is not the deciding factor. If the government wants to take land by eminent domain, the landowner will have to fight in court.
If the landowner is represented and they have a lawyer, they can push back and say, no, actually we think this amount is just. Here's our appraisal. Here's our reason for the valuation. And then either the judge can decide, a special land commission can decide the issue, or it can be taken all the way to a jury of your peers.
Garza says each plot of land is appraised differently, the offer is different, and each layout along the river is unique, like the Benavides land in Roma.
We just hope we resolve this soon.
Benavides says he'll keep asking questions in court to keep his land off this planned border wall map. Benavides explains he'll be discussing his land in the next court date in late May. Reporting in Progreso, Angela Vargas, Channel 5 News at 6.